Hi guys, welcome to another Understand the Real Estate term. My name is Abiola Fadahunsi and the real estate term for today is a joint venture. A joint venture is an arrangement between two parties, that is a landowner and a real estate developer, who have agreed to work together and combine resources in order to develop a real estate project. No doubt, real estate projects can be capital intensive, so it's not unusual to find two or more people come together, especially in this case now, to find a developer and the landowner come together to develop a project in order to make a profit. Now, I'll lay emphasis on making a profit. That's why you find out that most joint venture agreements or projects are done in prime locations, because in this situation, making a profit is very important to both the developer and the landowner. Okay, so that's why in the course of me being in the industry, I found people who tell me, "Oh, Abiola, I have land in a particular location. Can you get a developer to build?" And even when you tell them the truth that this particular location may not really attract developers, because one, aside the fact that it's not prime, maybe it has low vacancy ratio, or it's not a place that would attract profits for developers. They tend to wonder why it's easy to get developers agree to a joint venture arrangement in specific locations and not in other locations right now, because both parties are particular about making profit, especially the developer. If the developer is going to put his resources in developing on a land, there has to be some form of guarantee of him making profit, and not all location affords the developer that, or even the landowner. So in cases like this, so I'm taking my time to explain, because you find out after watching this video, so many people may think, "Oh, I have land somewhere, can you get a developer to come build on it, so we can share, split profit or something?" There are a lot of things to be considered before a joint venture agreement is put in place, okay? Or before a developer agrees to a joint venture agreement, or even the landowner agrees to a joint venture agreement. So in this case, what the landowner simply provides the land that is to be built upon. So what the landowner provides is the land, right? And the developer provides the finances and the technical know-how of on how to build the structure on the land. So he brings the funds that will be needed, and also all the technical know-how that is needed for that building to be put in place, all right, for both of them to make a profit. So that is what a joint venture means in simple terms. A joint venture is way deeper than this, but yes, this is just a video to explain the term what joint venture means. So right now, when you hear people talk about JV, is popularly called JV. So when you hear JV or joint venture, this is what it means. Simply a landowner and a developer coming together, agreeing to pull funds together to develop a real estate project for a profit, so they both make a profit out of it. Okay, so that is it. I bet you now know the meaning of a joint venture agreement. If you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. I'll be here to reply them. And if you're watching on YouTube, please like, share and subscribe. Like this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video as well, subscribe to this channel rather, and like this video, okay? And don't forget to ask me your questions. If you have any term you want me to explain, please go ahead. I'll be glad to explain them to you. And don't forget that what I do is I help real estate investors locate genuine properties at the right place, price and terms, so they can make maximum profit on their real estate investment within the shortest time possible. So that is it. If you need my help, I'll be right here waiting for you. All right, that's it today. Bye for now.